die Kubor na Schlemm jong Nong San Hima.
Entire episode that's happened.
We got information recently also that some people were assaulted in Longkmie, and that is strongly condemned by us. So we support these two people who are sitting to condemn all these atrocities, because violence cannot be promoted in our society, and so that is why we are supporting.
Turu has been also there. Tell us about it.
The thing is violence, no? And no right-minded person should look for excuses to promote violence, as Kong Agnes said. And we have seen from time to time that there is actually targeted violence, and because there is no swift arrest, no convictions, it seems to be sort of promoting and also giving, encouraging people who do this in our society, in our state. And we have to remember that even in our country as a whole now, we see that there is targeted violence against minorities, be it the Christians or the Muslims or anybody who's not in a position of power and a minority of some sort. We see even tribals being at that level assaulted and targeted. And so here in our state also, we cannot allow this kind of targeting of minorities. And we have to remember that a society and a state will finally be measured by how they treat their minorities. Enough is enough of communalizing the issue. We don't want representatives to come up with fake promises of security. There has to be security. It's not as if they have to, pretend when it's time to garner votes, you use communal issues whichever way you think suits you. And so the message should be strong, especially for representatives, that they have to come out very strongly to ensure that our city, our state is secure and safe for everyone. Women, children, tribals, non-tribals, and minorities. So that is the message that should go to the government.
And no hatred. As we all know, in our state we say, "Kajing tip breu tip blai," means we should know the people and God. But the way we promote hate, that should be strongly condemned.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.